Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture onto your Uber Eats profile. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account, go ahead and use your credentials or your social accounts to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, in order to add a profile picture, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on Manage Uber Account by scrolling down. You will now be taken into your account info page. Tap on the edit icon alongside your profile picture, and now you will see the update photo button. You can tap on this button and you will be asked to allow camera access. Once you allow camera and gallery access, you will be able to choose a picture from your device. Once you tap on your desired photo, it will immediately be set as your profile picture and you will be able to see it on your profile from this point on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set or change your profile picture on Uber Eats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.